Asteroids from outer space. Science and play. Fun and engaging kit for exploring outer space. Dig out the asteroid and search for vehicles and space rocks. So if we open it up, it comes with an instruction manual and a hammer and a chisel and some stickers, which are here. So when you open up the box, the main thing that you get is this lump of rock from space, and you've got to smash it up, and then we see what's inside it. Shall we go? Shall we do this?
Yes. Almost there. Yes! Yes!
We're really having to dig this out, aren't we? We got a hammer and a real chisel now. It's a right mess.
Super messed up. It's got to be well messed down. It was well smashed. It needs to be super smashed. Now we need to clean up.
All these lovely small pieces. Just need assembling as such, like that.
This is built. Goodbye. So see you later, children. Alligator. So see ya. Have a good night with your space moon.